अपना मुख्यमंत्री से आप पूछ लीजिए, वही खुद दिन बर दिन उसका मुंह से जो शब्द निकलता है सिर्फ मारने का, पीटने का। क्या है ये मेरा देश है क्या? It was very clear in our suggestion. We had said the person who is spreading this one community is saying that the chief minister has originated this entire conflict. You can at least, madam, you have another 49 more members in your kitty in the state other than the chief minister. The honorable prime minister, I'm sure, can replace him immediately with no questions asked. My question is, madam, is it so difficult to replace one man and bring peace to our area? आप जब इतना सा छोटा प्रदेश में कुछ शांति और न्याय नहीं दिला सकता है, इतना बड़ा देश में आप क्या करेंगे?
All the legislature of the NDA held a meeting yesterday in my chamber, and we were discussed about the day-to-day development of the present situation of the state of Manipur. In the meantime, we also discussed to go to Delhi to have a courtesy call to the Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji and the Honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji, as well as to also request them to expedite the present crisis at the earliest. So after that meeting, the Honorable MLAs interested me to take appointment of the Honorable PM Sir and the Honorable Union Home Minister. तो अभी ये पार्लियामेंट चल रहा है, इतना हैट्रिक चल रहा है, तो व्हाई आई शुड डिस्टर्ब? तो हमने बोला कि अभी चेक करेंगे, लेकिन तब जो अपॉइंटमेंट वहीं से मिलेंगे, तब हम लोग साथ जाना है. तो सम फ्रेंड हैज गॉन कि चलो मिलना है तो हम लोग तो दिल्ली में जाएंगे, यहीं पे पूरा अनरेस्ट है, दैट काइंड ऑफ है. लेकिन इसमें ये रिजाइनेशन का वो कुछ भी नहीं है. जस्ट वी ऑल डिसाइडेड, और वी हैव साइन ऑल around 34-35 MLAs were present there yesterday. We have already signed and the memorandum to just requesting the the central government to expedite the issues. And we are also very much grateful to the Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji and Amit Shah ji की इसको मणिपुर के इश्यूज़ को प्रायोरिटी दे के 100 days के अंदर में प्रायोरिटी लिस्ट में डाला है. और ऑनरेबल यूनियन होम मिनिस्टर हैव स्टार्टेड discussion of various agencies, security review, particularly for the Manipur. That is a great achievement. So for that, we also appreciated in the meetings, in the resolution. That are a few things. Nothing is like it. And some media and some vested interested go mind security things.